The world's largest observation wheel is the 550-foot tall high roller located in Las Vegas, Nevada. 110 feet taller than the London Eye, its spherical cabins ride along the outside of the wheel to ensure the best possible 360-degree view of the skyline. For both passenger safety and entertainment, the high roller relies on state-of-the-art wireless communication and control systems. This required a special level of engineering expertise, support, and reliability. Randy Prince, the project manager, has over 30 years of experience with major development projects for theme parks such as Disneyland, Epcot Center, and Universal Studios.
So we have this 550-foot tall wheel that's constantly rotating with 28 cabins that we have to communicate with from the ground. Each cabin has 4 networks, the wheel has 4 networks. We're talking about 60 networks that have to function within milliseconds, 16 to 18 hours a day with safety-related reliability.
The site conditions were extremely challenging, with equipment in constant motion, constantly changing orientation, and operating in temperatures ranging from 12 to 120 degrees, in high winds, with large quantities of dust and a lot of radio traffic.
We did an extensive search and determined that Moxa had the right kind of wireless equipment to allow us to communicate very safety critical information. Turned out we had one of the more complex, if not one of the most complex, wireless networks many of even the Moxa engineers had seen.
For maximum reliability, all wheel and cabin communications were carried on 2 separate fully redundant networks. Specialized Moxa wireless units were used for communication between the rim and each cabin. Around the rim, Moxa switches were arranged in a redundant, self-healing fiber Ethernet network. In addition to hardware, the Moxa team provided critical engineering expertise when the project needed it most. When the project experienced communication issues that were difficult to diagnose, Moxa's dedication and their professional staff stood out from all other suppliers.
We were exceptionally pleased with the support Moxa gave us. They responded within 24 hours, had field engineers out to work with us. They went out of their way to get the right field representatives.
With their experience in both industrial control systems and networking technology, the Moxa engineers were able to identify and address critical issues unrelated to their own equipment and brought the project back on track.
Their commitment to the project was among the best, if not the best, of all the suppliers we had on the project. If I were doing another giant observation wheel, they would be among the first people I'd call.
Now a landmark Las Vegas attraction, the high roller can serve up to 35,000 passengers daily, and its multicolored LEDs are a recognizable part of the skyline. Moxa is proud to have contributed to its success.